No one believes I can prepare this vegetable tray in such a short time. I'll start by cutting a cauliflower into smaller pieces. This will make the cooking process faster. Right after, we can transfer it to a pot, then cover with water and about a teaspoon of salt. Stir a bit and let it cook. Once the cauliflower is tender, we can turn off the stove. Then remove just the cauliflower from the pot. But don't throw the water away, we'll need it in a moment. I'll transfer everything to a large tray. Now, I'll do the same process with a broccoli. And tell me if you like recipes with broccoli and cauliflower. We'll transfer the broccoli to the pot with the cauliflower cooking water. Once it's cooked, we can transfer it to the tray with the cauliflower. Now let's cut an onion into thin slices like I'm doing. In another pan, I'll add a bit of olive oil. Add the onion and let it sauté for a bit. Meanwhile, I'll dice a carrot. Doing this will also make it cook faster. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from, so I can send you a special greeting. After dicing the carrot, we can transfer it to the pan with the onion, and let it sauté as well. Now we need half a yellow bell pepper. I'll slice it, making the dish presentation even more amazing. I love using bell peppers in my recipes, do you? At this point, we can transfer the yellow bell pepper to the pan along with the rest of the ingredients. Let's do the same process with 3 potatoes. I'll cut them into smaller pieces, then transfer them to the pan. Let's season with a bit of salt, black pepper, basil, and a chopped garlic clove. We'll continue cooking all the ingredients. I'll cover the pan and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, we can transfer all these ingredients to the tray with the broccoli and cauliflower. Look how delicious our recipe is turning out. Now in this pan, we'll need 3 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt, and then add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. Now it's time to add 500 milliliters of chicken broth and mix until smooth. After mixing well, add 100 milliliters of milk and keep stirring constantly. A pinch of salt and black pepper. We continue stirring everything very well, and then add a bit of basil. And this part of the recipe is done. The next step is to transfer everything to the tray with the other ingredients. This recipe is simply delicious. You need to try it at home. Now just mix everything very well. To finish this part, we add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese on top and bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. For the special sauce, we need to mix 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 finely chopped garlic clove, a handful of parsley, a quarter of a grated cucumber, a bit of salt and black pepper as well. Keep mixing well, and right after our special sauce will be ready. And look how delicious our recipe turned out. This recipe is simply irresistible. I hope you enjoyed the secret to making a super delicious vegetable tray. Don't forget to leave in the comments where you're watching from. I love knowing how far my videos are reaching. Make it at home and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time and enjoy your meal.